Yoey, hi.
Hi, today we are doing a launching rocket in this field. And it is a very big field. So we are just setting up all our stuff to get ready for the rocket to launch, and with all the batteries and things, and my dad's helping me set it all up. So right now my daddy's trying to put the rocket on this here, and Edie's helping, aren't you, Edie? No!
There we go.
She says no, but she is. So he's got the rocket on, and he's about to get ready to launch it. I'm about to press the button, and this is the button down here. So you basically just press that bit and then it will launch for you. But sorry if it makes an annoying noise while it goes up. So basically we're going to do the button, and I'm doing the button, and this is the button, and this is the rocket. This is the back of the rocket. This is the front of the rocket.
Right, Edie, so we're going to get set off the rocket now, aren't we? Evelyn's got the button ready to press it. It's all connected up. And we've got the camera there as well. Right. Okay, I'll hold that bit down this time. See the red light on it now? That means that we've got connection. Okay, so let's do the countdown, everybody. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press and hold. Awesome! Hero's back. Yay! She found the rocket.
At least we didn't lose it.
Let's have a look. Did this? Ah, the parachute came out. How was it?
Good.